I have been working in a pharmacy since the mid-'70s, and I have been a pharmacist since 1986, and I have never seen anything like we have witnessed with this pandemic.
It was an interesting time when all of the developments started to come about.
When COVID first started, I honestly was terrified. I didn't want to leave the house. I didn't want anybody coming over. I honestly was a nervous wreck.
We had growing concerns, and among those concerns was our staff, because I wanted to make sure we were all remaining healthy because we needed to be here every day.
I don't live alone, so I didn't want to put anybody else in my family at jeopardy.
I'm a delivery driver here. I started smack in the middle of the pandemic in April. And at first, it was a little scary going out on the road and deliver medicine to people.
We wanted to be here for the community to make sure we could help all the patients that were depending on us.
Our store was taped off and customers were only allowed in one at a time. We had a big tarp to cover up our employees for, obviously for safety reasons.
We were cleaning like crazy, pretty much every hour on the hour.
Of course, we were all concerned what would happen with, our access to prescriptions, our access to our bag, our access to different things. John and the staff here made it very easy to figure out what was going on.
Our teamwork here actually made the process and the transition extremely smooth.
Honestly, I felt more safe coming to work every day than I did going to some other places because of how safe we made our environment.
Well, during COVID, I had most of my medicine delivered, but I did come to the store and I felt 100% safe.
And even now that we open the store, we have a table that has alcohol to spray your hands with, so that if you were coming from, the car or even opening the door, that when you came in, you could sanitize your hands before touching any of the merchandise.
Very, very grateful that no one, and we're talking about 20 people approximately, no one got sick. No one got the virus. It's really nothing short of miraculous considering how many sick people we were helping.
With COVID-19 still prevalent, HP Pharmacy continues to take this very seriously and continues best practices and health precautions to make sure their patients are kept safe at all times. With someone with a pre-existing health condition, I take this very seriously and appreciate all that HP Pharmacy's been doing.
When I was out on the road, I met a couple patients. It might have been the first person that they've seen in a couple weeks, but everyone was very grateful that I was able to deliver them their medicine.
Really went the extra mile to make sure that the patient felt safe and felt that they were paying attention to COVID.
I was overwhelmed by the outpouring of concern and empathy by our patients for us.
My family and I are extremely thankful that HP Pharmacy stayed open during the height of the pandemic and continues to stay open.
People send us food. So many people make sure they took really good care of the drivers and delivery people. It was very, very touching, and we really appreciated that concern, that genuine concern, and it made us want to even work harder to make sure we were taking good care of everybody. I feel very, very proud of what we were able to do, and very grateful to be able to help all those people that we helped.
Thank you to all our patients.
Thank you to our patients.
I'd like to say thank you to all of our customers.
Yeah, I just want to thank our community for trusting HP Pharmacy.
Thank you to all of our patients for placing their trust in us. We're proud to serve you, and we thank you so much for your support.